I'm Professor Anshu Agarwal, the principal of Aravali College of Advanced Studies in Education. The aim of conducting this workshop is to reduce the burden of the teachers so that whenever they are going to present their lesson online or offline, they can prepare their lesson in few minutes with all type of the teaching aids, all quizzes, and even lot of activities to engage children. So this is a very wonderful tool through which teachers can prepare their presentations in a very effective manner within few minutes. So let's start at how this tool works. The first of all, I want to tell the name of this tool. The name of this tool is testteach.com, and through which there are a lot of resources. There are the audios, videos, you have lot of web pages you can put in a single platform. So I will demonstrate today that how can you prepare these lessons in few minutes and how can you get the benefit of this from this tool. So let's start. This is our tool, Test Teach with Blank Space, through which we can prepare our presentation within few minutes with different teaching aids taking from the multimedias. I just want to tell you about the benefits of this site, that this is a very powerful and a versatile tool through which you can prepare your presentation very conveniently. Second, this is rich online lessons. Whatever the lessons you are preparing, that will be of good quality with the teaching aids and the different audio and visual aids also. This is just like the digital locker. Whatever the lessons you are preparing, that will be saved in your account, and whenever you want to teach to the students, you can take it from this digital locker or from your account of the Test Teach, and you can teach to the students very easily, and you can also share it in your classes. Online portfolio, you can also make the classrooms on the online, and you can combine the content from the web and the computer. Whatever the material you have in your desktop, in your drive, in your Dropbox, that will be combined through this site very easily. Students create their own lessons. The students can create their own lessons, and also they can cooperate with each other. Now there are the three features of this testteach.com. You will create the lesson so that the teachers can save time by collecting all the digital content in one place. Second, after creating lesson, they can engage the students through on this site by they can achieve the learning goals with fun and interactive lessons, and also they can assess the students' performance by monitoring the students' understanding with quizzes and the discussion. Now, through this site, through this tool, we can combine digital content and your files to create a lesson. The teachers can use the test resources. They can use PDFs, images, YouTube videos, PowerPoint presentations, Dropbox, web links, Word documents, and Google Drive on the one place. So this is the interface of this site. Now I will demonstrate at how will you prepare your presentation on this site. Now, first of all, for demonstration, you will go on the Google. Here you will write test.com blank space. Now you will see there is the blank space, create and find free multimedia lessons. You will click on it, and now you can see the official website of the Test Teach. Here you have to first sign up. Go on the sign up. There are the two tabs. I am a teacher and I am a student. If you are a student, you can go on this tab, but we are playing the role of the teachers because we have to prepare a lesson for the students. So I will click on it. Now you can sign up with the Google, with the Facebook, or you can also write the email ID here and you can sign up by any mode. But here I'm going to log in through the Google. Here they are asking my Gmail ID. Now they are asking some permission, so I am going to allow. So now this is the interface of this test.teach.com. So you can see that there are you can create your lesson from here, and if you are a student you can join classes from here. Now first of all you have to create your classes because you are going to assign this lesson in your classes. Also you can digitally you can give the link of your prepared lessons to the students also. So first of all we have to create the classes if you want to assign your lesson to the classes. So I am going to create a class course. Here I am going to teach the globalization. So they will ask the grade. This is the 9th grade. Okay. And if you want to create the more classes, you can also create the another classes also. Now, I want to tell you that these are the 4 lessons already prepared on the test sheet. If you want to prepare lessons related to these topics, you can prepare it, or you can pick up any lesson from here, and you can make edits, you can make changes according to your requirement. But here I will tell you that how you can create the new lessons. So I will go on the new lesson. Okay, so now you can see there are the different tiles. Okay, so these are the tiles which can be made as a slides as you prepare on the PPT. So if you want more slides, then you can add row. So now in each tile you can see that you can drop your resources here. You can add text, whatever you, if you want to write something on this slide you can write, and if you want to put any quiz you can put, you can make any quiz here. So first of all we have to give the title of our topic. Like I want to prepare the types of India. I have given the name of the class and I have also referred specified the date. So now now related to types of the industry you want to write something like what are the outcomes. So, so we will make this after some time. So we are leaving this slide and we will start from here. So first of all we will write here about the industry. We want to write something about the industries. So I will write here industries. Automatically there will be so many resources here. So there are the free resources as well as there are the paid resources also. So there are so many free resources, so no need not to go to for the paid resources. So first of all I will see that the careers in the sports industry, industries revolution, introduction to the industrial revolution. This is the free one. So first of all, before putting this resource in our presentation, I will preview. I would like to preview it, that how it is looking. Is it beneficial for the children or not? So, so if you want to put this about the industrial revolution, so you can put it here. Suppose I'm going to put it in my resource. So what I will do, I will click on it and I will put here. So presentation has automatically came here. Now there are so many tabs. I will tell you one by one. These are the automatic research by the test teach. Now you can, second is this YouTube video. If you want to search any video related to the types of the industry, then you can search it. But you have to write here the types of industries. want to search the YouTube video, I will click on it. So there are so many YouTube videos related to the types of industries. Here I will see that which video is good for the presentation. So I think this video is good. So I can, before putting it into the presentation, I can preview this.
In this video, we're going to learn about the classification of industries. So in today's topic, I've divided the...
So I'm going to take this resource in my presentation. So I will click on it and I will put in my tiles. Now, again, the next tab is related to the Google search. So I'm going to click on it. So there are so many resources has come from the Google related to the types of the industries. So now I can search which is good to teach. So suppose I'm going to preview this. Suppose this is good, or this is not good, then I can see the another resource. Suppose I want to preview this. Yes, this is good. Types of a primary and all these things. So I'm going to take it in my presentation. So now I will click and drag and drop in my presentation. Now the next resource is Google Images. Now I want to put some images related to the types of industry. So I will click on it. So there are so many images. I can see. Suppose I want to put this one in my presentation, so I can put it here. Suppose I want to take the another image also, like this. So I will take it here. Okay. Now I will go on the next resource, that is the search Flickr. If I am going to do it, so there are so many images related to the industries. So you can take any image from here also, but I don't think that it is beneficial for my presentation, so I am leaving it. So now next is the web page link. Now you can put any web page link here if you want to show anything. Suppose I'm going to search on the web link. Suppose I want to put a worksheet on industries type. Okay. There are so many worksheets. Suppose I'm going to click it on it. So there is one PDF. Okay, so there is a worksheet given. So I want to put this worksheet in my presentation. So what I will do, I will copy this link and then I will go on my lesson and I will paste it here and then search. So this worksheet has come in our test resources. Now I can take it in my presentation. So I have taken web page of the worksheet also here. So you can put any type of the link. If you want to put worksheets and anything, then you can take it from the web page also. Now next is the search my test resources. If you have already prepared your lessons and if you want to take any content from your resources, then you can take it from here. But I have not any test resources, so I'm not taking it. So now this is the Google Drive. If you have any document or the PDF or anything related to your topic or any content in your Google Drive, you can take it here. So I'm going to click it here. So I can see that there are so many things in my drive. So these are the things in my drive, and I want to take industrial classification document in my presentation. So I'm going to take it from here and in my slide. Now next is, this is the Dropbox. If you have any content or the document in your Dropbox, you can take it from here, but I don't have, so I'm not taking it. Now this is very important tab. This is related to the any all the PDFs or the documents. If you have any on your desktop or the document, you can take it from here. So you will click it here, then you will choose file. Okay, then you will go on the desktop. Here you will see that you have a folder of the types of industries. Now you can take anything. Suppose I want to take this industrial classification, I can take it here. So now you can take all these in your document, like industrial classification. Sorry. Now you can add rows for more presentation, and I want to put it here. Then I want to put this worksheet also here. I want to put this image also here and add rows. I want to put this industrial also classification here. In this way, suppose I don't want this slide in this my presentation, then you can delete it from here. Okay, and another thing I want to tell you that if you want to put this document in place of here and you want to put this document here, so you can replace it also like this. It will automatically go there and that document will come here. Suppose you want this figure here, so you can put it here also. Okay, you want last document in the given, sorry, suppose you want this this file here, you can put it here, and you want this PDF here, you can put this here. In this way you can arrange your presentations, and the main part of this presentation is you can write something on your document. So if I click on this text, now you can tell, now you can write the topic, type of industries. Now you can bold it, you can italic it, you can underline it, and even you can increase the font like this. Now you can write the outcomes of lesson. Like first, students will be able to differentiate types of industries industries, and so on. You can write so many things here. So then you can done it. So whatever you are writing here, yeah, that will be here. Now the last one, when you are going to assess the students, like these, you can put this document here. Now you want to create a quiz after teaching the lesson, then you will go on this add quiz. So you can enter any question here. What is the meaning of industries? You can give them options, answers. Um, Transaction, sales, purchase, conversion of raw material. So there are four options. You can give the correct answer now. And if you want to add more question, you can add more question like here. Example of genetic industry. With the answer, fishing, construction, production, and manufacturing. Like this. So you can give the correct answers and done. Now you can put so many questions here like a quiz, and the students can give the answer and they can evaluate also side by side. Now these are the full part of the presentation in which you can drag and drop all the resources from the test page. So I'm going to recap all these, that how will you prepare your presentation. This is the automatic search from the test resources. This is the, you can take the resources from the YouTube videos. You can take the resources from the Google search. You can take the Google image from the Google. And this is the Flickr. These are the also resources you can take from the test resources. These are the web link you can put in your presentation as you want to insert the link of your quizzes or the worksheets. You can take it from here. This is the test resources also. And these are the Google Drive through which you can take your PDFs or the documents or any content. This is the Dropbox. If you have any material in your Dropbox, you can take it from here. If you have the material in your computers, you can take it from here. So these are the all resources which are beneficial for the teachers, and you can take any content and any material from all these resources. So now your presentation is ready here. So I want to show this presentation. I will show you this presentation. When you will play it, you can see that this is your first slide. This is your second. This is my third. This is the PowerPoint presentation which I had taken from the web page, I think. So this is the and this is my next slide, which is a video.
In this video, we're going to learn about the classic.
Okay, now this is my next slide, which is related to the types of the industries. It's a web page. Now, next is I think this is not working. Next is this image which I have put into the presentation. Next is the worksheet. This is the worksheet which I have taken. This is the Word document. Classic, this is related to the industries and all. And then this is again we have repeated items. So this is the quiz which we have created up to date. So in this way you can make your presentation by taking so many content from the different multimedias. Now the last part of this presentation is that how will you share all these presentations to the students. So you can take the prints of these presentations, but you can share this digital lessons with your students. So I'm going to click this. So you can share the lesson with your students by giving you can assign in your share this lesson with your students. So you can assign it the class which you have created, 11th business, and types of industries. Now you can share this link with your students. Okay, you can copy this link and you can share with your students. You can share this with the in the Google Classroom. You can share in Twitter. You can share on your website. You can mail this link. You can put this link on the Facebook. So there are so many mediums through which you can share it. So now there is also some privacy. If you want, you can view this. Who can view this lesson? Only me, anyone, and only people with the link, my students. So I'm going to do it anyone. If you want that the students can access through this link, then you can go for this. Which resources can be copied from this lesson? All resources. If you want to allow to the others that your resources can be copied by the others, then you can allow. Otherwise, you can give the permission to only public resources, or you can give it to the none. So these are the privacy uh, um, features. You can do it according to your requirement, whatever you want. So I think that will be clear to all of you that how can you prepare your presentation, and it depends on your creativity that how beautifully you will put all the resources in a essential manner so that you can make your teaching very effective.